Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the Apple AirTag. It's probably going to be a really simple one. As you can see, the box is actually really small. It probably just contains the actual AirTag itself. So yeah, let's just get this out of the box from Apple. So on the front it literally just says AirTag. I went for the one on its own and it's £29 in the UK, I believe $29 in the US as well. Yeah, so really small box, requires iOS or iPad OS, iCloud account, replaceable battery, which is really good. That's one thing about it that I do actually like. So for the first time, Apple literally made it so that it's just the CR2032 battery, which you kind of use for watches and things like that. So you can replace it. The batteries are like cheap to replace, so that's good. So let me just open the box. So there's a little handy pull tab here. So if we just pull that. Let's have a look what's inside the box. Oh. Right, okay, that's literally everything. Yep, right, so we've got some warranty information. We've also got compliance information. Boring. What else? Safety and handling information. Information about the battery and how to replace and everything like that. So you just push the battery compartment door, turn the counterclockwise. That sounds pretty easy, to be fair. And then the main event, the actual AirTag itself. Let me just open that. So it says, update to the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on Bluetooth, pull the tab. So I'll do that. Hold near the device and follow on-screen instructions. And this is the actual AirTag. I didn't get mine engraved, I literally just got the normal one. I think engraving it made the shipping sort of a bit later on, so I just wanted to get it on release day for it. It's literally tiny, as you can see, really small. Yeah, let's pull the tab. And just for a reference on how big it is, this is a pound coin in the UK, so it's just slightly bigger than a pound coin. I'd probably say it's about £2 coin size. Don't have one of those, but that's just for comparison, really, with the size of it. So it's absolutely tiny, will fit in your wallet easily, just in like a little section. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pair this with my phone now. So I've brought it near, and as you can see, it just says AirTag, and then you click connect. So where I'm going to pop this at the minute is just going to be, let's have a look, in my wallet, just because I did buy a keychain, but that's not arrived yet. So I'm going to click sensitive info, register your AirTag to your Apple ID, continue. So yeah, it's in my wallet, and then it says it's precision finding. You can play sound on the little AirTag and it directs you in the maps. Done. And that is literally everything for the setup. So as you can see, it's really simple to set that up. It's already set up. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it in my wallet, literally just in this section, like where the change goes. Let's have a look, like here. I'm literally just gonna pop it in there, zip it up. Also, just for reference on the iPhone, the place that you get the AirTag information and where to find it is if you just go on the Find My app, and then you've got devices, but if you click this button, items here, actually, yeah, you can find your wallet. Just a side note that the precision feature, so where it says find here, and you click it and it'll find it nearby and it'll direct you with arrows, that is actually only available with the iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, because it does require the U1 chip. So that's always worth noting. If you are coming from an iPhone before that, you would just get the map sort of general location and you could play the sound, but you wouldn't get the precision sort of arrow to find it, basically. So I just thought I'd put that in there just to make it clear. So I'm just going to click find, and then yeah, it's just gonna direct me. It says keys, but I did put it in my wallet. It is gonna go on my keys eventually. Yeah, so it's just gonna say where it is. So it's directing me. It's saying that it's over here. Yeah, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead, straight ahead. And then there we go, it's literally in the wallet. So it says here. So it's nice and easy to find your items if you do have the 11 or 12. So really good feature. That is literally everything for this video. I just wanted to give a quick demonstration. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thank you for watching.